Hey, what's up, everyone? In today's episode, we're going to build out this yearly plans feature. Buy 10 months, get 2 free annual billing. You see this little toggle here on my blog? So that's what we're going to work on. This is actually a pretty easy feature, primarily just client side, as well as a bit of dashboard work. So first things first, let's go back to our product catalog. And in each product, we can add, see here we in our pricings, we have this $48. We can actually add additional pricing. So here for enterprise, I'm gonna just say $200, and this is gonna be billed yearly. Lookup key, I'm gonna say tier, enterprise, yearly. So now we're gonna go back to our product catalog and do the same thing with the remainder, with the other ones. And again, none of the pricing really matters. In fact, I'll just say tier 200 for this one. What matters is that it's tier, the lookup keys. Tier, freelancer, yearly, startup. Tier, startup. Great, with our pricing in place, let's go ahead and build the toggle. So I'm actually going to just take the code here from my blog post, toggle with text, go to files. This is going to be a component called toggle with text.view. Nothing too crazy. It's just a toggle. This is a Stripe focused tutorial, so I'll just skip the front end client side code, but it's all there if you need it, and you're welcome to ask me questions if you have any. And we're going to use this in our pricing section. And what we want to do is actually add a new ref. So we'll just say const yearly enabled is equal to a ref of false, as well as a new computed property. So we're going to call this one const filtered tiers equals computed. And this will just return tiers.filter by tier. And we want yearly enabled dot value. So here is here, yearly enabled dot value. So basically, if yearly enabled is true, we want the yearly series. So we can do that with this. And tier dot type equals monthly. So what we're doing here is we're basically taking all of the yearly type tiers if yearly is enabled. Otherwise, we're taking all the monthly tiers. I know it's red stripes, but we're gonna get into that shortly. With these two values in place, we're gonna go down into our template. We're gonna put them in. Put them in. Put the toggle with text here, right above the cards. But again, this is entirely up to you, however you want it to look. There's some good old Flexbox, CSS, just to make it look good, in my opinion. And then we're gonna add the V model yearly enabled for toggle with text. And then instead of tiers here, we wanna do a new filtered tiers computer property that we'd find here. So pricing section is in place, but you see these red swigglies. So we want to go on our new stripe and go on tiers, and you see there is no type here. So I just add monthly to my monthly plans. Now that should stop yelling at us. Great. So to add a yearly plan, I actually just copy all of these and I add here, add them into the tiers, and I'll just say yearly plans. So I just add them into the tiers array, and I change the values that are specific to the yearly plan. So here I say yearly, I will just say 200 and type yearly. Same for startup, yearly. I think I said 300, type yearly. Enterprise yearly. Uh, oh, I do price 400, type yearly. Something I noticed too actually is this price monthly. I want to change this to price for all of them. So price monthly, we'll do a swap for all price. Because now we're managing both monthly and yearly, so I think it's easier to just do that. Let's just make sure there's no price monthlies. It is. So we want to do type tier dot price in our pricing section component, just to make it work alongside our tier objects. Cool. Now with these in place, let's go back to our page. And so here we now have a toggle, and if we click it, the prices change. Cool. With these in place, I just want to test. Let's go ahead and say is subscribed is false. We'll do tier free. Subscribe changes tier 3. Cool. Now we should see buy now. Let's go toggle to annual and let's just do freelancer. So now we see freelancer $200 per year. If we subscribe, go to our database, we will see yearly. Great. So that's in place. You're now subscribed. Got our toggle. Hope you learned lots, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.